Dubai is famous for luxury and record-breaking attractions. But what if I told you that you can enjoy it all on just $20? Yes, a single 20 in your pocket is enough to unlock food, sights, and experiences you never thought possible here. This isn't about skipping the fun. It's about discovering the hidden side of Dubai that locals know and tourists often miss. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to stretch $20 into a full day of adventure. Stay tuned, because by the end, you'll realize Dubai isn't just for the rich. It's for you too. 10. Start your morning with an Emirati breakfast in Al Fahidi. Your day begins in Al Fahidi Historical Neighborhood, one of Dubai's most preserved cultural districts. For just 15 to 20 dirhams, you can enjoy a proper Emirati breakfast at a small cafe. Dishes like chebab pancakes topped with date syrup or regag bread with cheese are both filling and authentic. After breakfast, take a slow walk around the heritage houses and art exhibits. The district, with its shaded courtyards and narrow pathways, reflects what Dubai looked like before the skyscrapers arrived. Entry into this neighborhood is free, and walking here feels like stepping back in time. 9. Take an abra ride across Dubai Creek. Once you finish exploring, head towards Dubai Creek, the heart of old Dubai where tradition still thrives. Here you can ride a wooden abra for just 1 dirham, making it one of the most authentic and affordable experiences in the city. These small boats have been ferrying people across the creek for more than a century, long before Dubai became a city of skyscrapers. The ride lasts only a few minutes, but it feels like stepping into history. As the abra glides gently across the water, you witness two sides of Dubai: the spice and gold souks buzzing with traders on one bank, and the textile markets alive with colors and fabrics on the other. It is a simple journey that captures the city's spirit of trade and culture, offering a window into Dubai's roots while costing almost nothing. 8. Wander through the Gold and Spice Souks. After crossing the creek, spend some time at the Gold Souk and Spice Souk. Even if you don't plan to buy, walking through these markets is an adventure of its own. The Gold Souk showcases some of the most extravagant jewelry collections in the world, while the Spice Souk hits you with the fragrance of cardamom, saffron, and dried roses. Entry is completely free, and the merchants will happily let you browse. If you want a small taste of something like dried fruits or a bag of spices, you can pick them up for less than 10 dirhams. 7. Lunch like a local in Dera. By now, it is lunchtime. Instead of heading to malls or international chains, try one of the local eateries in Dera. Here, you can get a plate of chicken biryani or a shawarma with a soft drink for just 15 to 20 dirhams. Many of these restaurants are run by families who have been serving authentic Middle Eastern or South Asian meals for decades. Eating here not only keeps your budget low, but also gives you a chance to enjoy the same flavors locals love every day. 6. Discover Al Seef on foot. Once your stomach is full, walk over to Al Seef, located along the Dubai Creek. This charming district stretches for about 1.5 kilometers and offers a beautiful mix of tradition and modernity. Cobblestone walkways, old-style wind towers, and wooden doors give it the feel of old Dubai, while cafes, art galleries, and boutique shops add a modern touch. The entire area is free to explore, making it a budget-friendly gem for travelers. In the evenings, vintage lamps light up the pathways, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. If you are into photography, every corner provides a unique backdrop, from the waterfront views to the heritage-style buildings. It is the perfect place to relax, stroll, and soak in Dubai's cultural charm. 5. Visit the Dubai Frame from outside. The Dubai Frame is one of the city's most unique landmarks, standing tall at 150 meters. While the entry ticket is 50 dirhams, which doesn't fit into our $20 budget, you can still admire this giant golden structure from Zabil Park nearby. Viewing the frame from outside is free, and you can capture fantastic photos of its reflective design against the skyline. This spot gives you a perspective on how Dubai connects its past and future, since the frame literally frames old Dubai on one side and modern Dubai on the other. 4. Explore JBR Beach and enjoy the free coastline. No trip to Dubai is complete without visiting the beach. Head over to JBR Beach, where the entry is free and the white sand stretches endlessly along the coast. The beach also offers a clear view of the Burj Al Arab, one of the most iconic hotels in the world. Bring a towel, relax by the water, and enjoy the Arabian Gulf without spending a single dirham. Public beaches in Dubai are well maintained, with lifeguards on duty and clean facilities, making them a safe and refreshing stop during your budget adventure. 3. Take the metro ride for an evening tour. Dubai Metro is not only cheap but also one of the cleanest, safest, and most advanced metro systems in the world. For around 5 dirhams, you can ride comfortably across different zones while enjoying air-conditioned coaches and wide glass windows that showcase the city outside. The best time to take the metro is in the evening, especially along the Red Line, which runs parallel to Sheikh Zayed Road. As the train glides smoothly, you get sweeping views of Dubai's illuminated skyline, with skyscrapers glowing against the night sky. You will pass landmarks like the Burj Khalifa, Mall of the Emirates, and Dubai Marina, all from the comfort of your seat. It is an experience that costs very little yet delivers some of the best views in the city, making it a smart alternative to taxis or expensive sightseeing tours. 2. Visit the Dubai Mall Fountain Show. After exploring the city, head to the Dubai Mall in the evening, not for shopping, but for a world-class show that is absolutely free. The Dubai Fountain is the largest choreographed fountain system on the planet, performing every 30 minutes from sunset until late at night. Powerful jets of water shoot up to 150 meters into the air, moving in perfect harmony with music and lights. Standing by the waterfront, you get an incredible view with the Burj Khalifa glowing in the background, making it one of the most memorable sights in Dubai. It is a breathtaking experience that proves some of the city's best attractions do not cost a single dirham. 1. End the day at Global Village seasonal. Finally, if you are visiting between October and April, you can spend your last dirhams at Global Village. Entry tickets cost around 20 dirhams, which fits right into your shoestring budget. Global Village brings together cultures from more than 90 countries, with pavilions offering food, crafts, and performances. Walking through the vibrant alleys feels like traveling around the world in a single evening. Even if you don't buy much, just enjoying the live shows and cultural displays makes it a perfect ending to your day. So, there you have it, a full day in Dubai for just $20. From traditional breakfast and abra rides to free beaches and world-class fountain shows. This city proves you don't need a big budget to create unforgettable memories. We started in the old streets of Al Fahidi, crossed the creek, explored souks, tasted local meals, admired landmarks, and ended the night with cultural shows. You now know that Dubai is not only about luxury, it is also about experiences that are priceless yet affordable. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel guides. Share in the comments what budget-friendly places you would like me to cover next. I would love to hear your ideas. Remember, travel is not about how much you spend, but about how much you experience.